Join me and raise a toast to fall. Ricotta toast, that is. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you a new take on toast, both savory and sweet, to create a simple meal that tastes and feels luxuriously fun. To get started, toast a slice of whole grain bread to your liking. Then, spread on 2 tablespoons of Belgioso ricotta con latte as your base. Ricotta is high in protein, and paired with the complex carbohydrates found in toast, makes for a simple and satisfying meal. You heard that right! More cheese, please! After that, to 1 slice, add toppings like 3 slices of avocado, 1 to 2 tomato slices, and an egg that's been fried, scrambled, or over easy. Not only do eggs contain protein, they're a valuable source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, iron, and B12. Season with salt and pepper or Hy-Vee everything bagel seasoning to taste. And on the second slice, get creative, adding even more healthy snack toppings, like pear slices, a tablespoon of chopped walnuts, and a drizzle of honey. Walnuts are a healthy fat that not only provide a satisfying crunch, but also add plant-based omega-3s to your toast that support heart health. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And be sure to protect yourself from getting the flu this year by getting your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy. There's no appointment necessary, and you'll earn a 20-cent fuel saver.